A pull request is GitHub's real, genuine way to propose merging one branch into another with a full review process attached. In this video, you'll open a real pull request from scratch. This real command pushes your branch to GitHub, a genuine prerequisite before a pull request can reference it. GitHub genuinely detects the real recently pushed branch and offers to open a pull request comparing it against main. This real action creates the genuine PR, a live comparison of feature login against main, ready for review. A pull request genuinely proposes merging one real branch into another on GitHub. The branch must be pushed to GitHub first, before a PR can be opened. A PR gives the team a real, trackable place to review changes before merging. Push a real branch and open a pull request against main yourself. Ready to see how a real team actually reviews that pull request?